Ready to master the art of seamless virtual collaboration? First, let's start a new meeting. Open Google Meet and click on the New Meeting button. You'll then have the option to create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or schedule one in Google Calendar for an immediate call. Click Start an Instant Meeting. A new window will pop up, displaying your meeting details. Here you'll find the unique meeting link. Simply copy this link and share it with the people you want to invite. You can also add participants directly by typing their email addresses in the Add Others field. Before joining, ensure your microphone and camera are properly configured. These icons at the bottom of the screen allow you to mute your audio, turn off your video, and access additional controls. Sharing your screen is crucial for presentations and collaborative work. Click on Present Now. At the bottom of the screen you'll be given the option to share your entire screen, a specific window, or a Chrome tab. Choose the option that best suits your needs. To keep everyone engaged, utilize the chat feature by clicking on the chat icon. This allows participants to share links, ask questions, and provide feedback without interrupting the speaker. Effectively manage your meeting by clicking on the people icon. From here, you can see who's attending, mute participants if necessary, or even remove someone from the meeting. Boost engagement with interactive activities. By clicking on the Activities button, you can initiate breakout rooms for smaller group discussions or launch polls to gather quick feedback from your participants. And that's it. With these tips, you're well equipped to host productive and engaging Google Meet meetings, connecting your remote teams for seamless virtual communication.